Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Tealium for consent-based tracking in the US. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Tealium account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the tags section in the Tealium dashboard. Look for the specific tag related to consent management. Select the tag to open its configuration settings. Review the current implementation of the tag. Identify the consent categories that need updating. Check for any new compliance regulations applicable in the US. Update the consent categories as required to meet legal standards. Save the changes made to the tag configuration. Next, proceed to the data layer section. Ensure that the data layer includes relevant consent parameters. Add any new consent fields if necessary. Review the data layer configuration for accuracy. Save the data layer updates. Now, go to the Publish section in the Tealium interface. Create a new version for your changes. Include a concise description of the updates made for reference. Publish the changes to your live environment. After publishing, conduct a thorough review of the changes. Use browser debugging tools to ensure tags are firing correctly. Check that consent preferences are being communicated accurately. Finally, monitor consent data to ensure compliance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.